गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, मैं अंजनी कुमार, एक सर्विसमैन बैंकर, कस्टमर असिस्टेंट, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। कैसे हैं आप सब? होप आप लोग अपने अपने एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट SBI PO notification, SBI J joining, waiting list 1 joining, and SBI J expected result and exam dates. So many queries were coming regarding these topics. So I had already predicted in previous videos 1 month back when SBI PO notification may come, and the time has come. I predicted about mid-June, and we are in mid-June now. So few queries were also for RRB PO notification. So I am expecting RRB PO notification next week, because the IBPS calendar says that exam will be in the first week of August. Pre-exam will start in the first week of August. So I don't know why top management of SBI is not declaring SBI PO notification. It may be because of some date clash with the IBPS. They may not be getting exact dates when they can conduct SBI PO pre-exams. So delay may be happening, but I am expecting it will also come very soon. So before 1st July, it may come any time. Because unlockdown has been started from 8th June. The other question, SBI J result, I think 2 weeks before I have predicted it will come on 28th June. I am still thinking the same way. And about SBI J exam, so most likely in the mid of July. So for that also I have predicted second or third week of July. So hope this information will help you all. And few more information I want to share regarding inter-circle transfer of SBI J. See, the movement of SBI J and SBI scale 1 and 2 officers who have opted for inter-circle transfer, and their names were in list of April. They are moving now. उन लोगों का अभी मूवमेंट शुरू हो गया है. So during these movements the waiting list candidates are generally utilized. So that's why I predicted waiting list 1 joining the next coming week. But now it seems it will not happen. So still I am hopeful for next week from 22nd June. Also many questions were asked about cross-selling pressure by many banking aspirants in what is cross-selling pressure in for SBI clerk and SBI PO, and IBPS clerk and IBPS PO. So first try to understand what is cross-selling. So the main purpose of banks are to give loans and earn interest, and to take deposits and give interest, and there is margin of 2-3%, and that is the main source of earning. But nowadays cross-selling means now banking industries are also involved in business with this other business like insurance sector, like SBI mutual fund, SBI life and all. So the cross-selling pressure is there, but it is within limits, and it is the responsibility of branch manager, and we have to work as a team to complete the target of the branch, and that is not so difficult. See, that is achievable. So don't worry about cross-selling pressure. For J, they have to support their manager. For example, one insurance comes, personal accident insurance, PI, that cost 100 rupees for a customer for 2 lakh rupees insurance. So you may get target, if you are a small branch, you may get target to do 2-3 PI every day. You may get target to do 1 or 2 fixed deposits, or some SBI Life, 1 or 2 SBI Life in a month. That generally taken care by branch manager. So just you have to support your branch manager. See, at the end of the day, what transactions has happened, that monetary transactions, that is not counted. What is counted is what additional you have done, and you have, branch manager has to send report to regional business office, okay, district office, that today you have done 3 PI, you have done 2 account openings. This is, I am talking about a smallest branch, scale 1 or scale 2 branch targets. You have done 3 RD, you have done 1 mutual fund, like this. So targets are achievable. Don't worry, in a team you can very well achieve it. It is not so difficult to achieve. It is reasonable targets. Hope my information will help you all. Thank you for watching my video.